Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to compress PDF file size without losing quality in 2026. So if your PDF is too large to upload, email, or store, this guide will help you reduce the size while keeping the document clear and readable. First, right-click the PDF and check its size. This helps you understand how much compression is needed. Next, open a free PDF compression tool on your browser or PC, so these tools can reduce file size automatically. Now select high quality or recommended compression mode. This keeps text and images sharp while reducing size. So click compress and wait for the process to finish. The tool will optimize images and remove unnecessary data. Next, download the compressed PDF and compare it with the original. Make sure the text and images still look clear. Finally, save the compressed PDF in a separate folder so you can keep both versions organized. So this helps avoid confusion later. And that's how to compress PDF file size without losing quality in 2026. Once you use the right compression settings, you can reduce PDF size while keeping everything clear and professional. If this guide helped you, feel free to check out more PDF and productivity tutorials.